Does your business collect information from field service techs, customers, and sales staff? Do you struggle with timely and costly manual processes to transcribe, scrub, and organize data collected by inefficient paper forms? This bottleneck often leaves your office staff drowning in paperwork, and not to mention storing, retrieving, and sharing these documents is simply a pain. There has to be a better way to manage your organization's paperwork. That's where we come in. We are here to help you leverage mobile technology to help simplify your business. Let us take your paper forms and convert them to a fully customizable digital platform, allowing your field techs to collect all the data you need right from their smartphones or tablets. You can send job information directly to your tech's device, and when the job is completed, they can send it back in real time, and your forms are instantly available for processing. Your new digital forms do more than just collect information. They come equipped with your custom parts list and pricing, automatic calculations, required fields, images, and location tags. Our flexible solution fits into your daily workflow, making training and implementation a breeze.